I am in my Lux Lounge. Y'all, I got some cute stuff. Found me some dookies. The 4-leaf clover. Cute. Look, y'all. That is so cute. Now, y'all remember, when you're buying jewelry, y'all make sure y'all clean it before you wear it, okay? Clean it before you wear it. This is so cute. This is so cute, y'all. This is so cute. And y'all know I have the earrings, the 4-leaf clover earrings. Y'all could go back and watch my last TEMU unboxing. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, y'all, that is so cute. And you all know that accessories bring out your outfit. Yeah. Y'all have to give me another one of these. I gotta get me a few more of these, y'all. So this is a new bonnet. We're gonna do a try on next, y'all. Okay, this is a bonnet. I saw this and I thought it was so cute. I think I'm gonna get them in different colors, you know. So cause y'all know I wear my hair wrapped a lot, you know. So well, of course, black fits with everything, but I like these cause they're a little more stylish, you know. I could this up with some jeans, some denim shorts. Okay. And it's in our culture, Hebrew that is, we wear head wraps. We wear those. Okay. Yes. Beautiful head wrap, y'all. Beautiful head wrap. So let's see what's this. Oh, y'all, excited, y'all. Y'all, I took my nails off. I had to give my nails a rest. Y'all know I've been getting my nails done for damn 30 years. Not missing a beat. I kid you not. 30 years straight. 30 years straight. If it wasn't every 2 weeks, it was every other week. I've been getting my nails done for 30 years straight, y'all. Not missing a damn beat. Y'all, look, y'all not gonna... Look, y'all, look. What is that, y'all? What is that? What is that, baby? Look at that nice dude. Look. It's the same exact thing that I would have paid a couple of $1,000s for. Now, I have my designer bags. I got a slew of them. I got every last one of them. And I paid thousands of dollars. Y'all know what? We got to have a talk about these designer bags and clothes. We calling them dupes. But what make you think they're not the real thing because we didn't pay thousands for it? Y'all, we got to talk. We are going to talk. What does this say? Jacquemus. I believe I'm pronouncing it right. I'm going to hit that website and I am going to see if they got even the spelling right. Because everything comes from China. Everything comes from China. Everything comes from China. They come from the same spot. I am so excited. I was sure enough excited to get this. Okay, so that was in the first unboxing. So this next one, yeah, I got 2 packages off. Y'all, look what I'm cutting here. I am so excited. I like everything about it. I like everything I do. I don't never have any I don't have no problems with none of TEMU items. None of them. I don't never have any problems. Give me that, Coco, give me that. Okay, so we're gonna, okay, yeah, well, I got some of these, well, both of these is packed with silver items. Y'all, I got another card. I got another card from him. Yeah. And y'all know what I have to do? I have some reviews I have to do for TEMU also. Okay, so y'all, let's start with, Coco, don't you mess with it. Don't you mess with it. We're gonna start with a jewelry. Carolina Herrera. Look at this. And y'all know it's not going to tarnish. This is sterling silver. Y'all look. Carolina Herrera. CH. Y'all. If you know your designers, y'all know who I'm talking about. Okay. Got this one in the silver. And then I got I believe this one is the yellow gold. I think it's the yellow gold. That's the yellow gold. Okay, y'all. I am so excited. I love everything about. And this is the rose color gold. So yes, so I can wear them together or separately. I think I'm gonna wear them together since they're, you know, different colors. I'm so excited. I like all of my purchase. Yes, this is the rose color. Yeah, y'all. So let's put them all together. Let's put them all together, y'all, so we can see how they look. How do y'all think I should wear them? Wait, let me make sure I got them centered right. Look, see, yeah. Now you can see the different shades. Okay. That's the rose color gold at the top. Then you got the sterling silver. Then you got the regular gold. Isn't that? Yes. That is nice. That is everything. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, y'all know I had to get a set. I'm so excited. I had to get a set. Okay, and we will be doing a try on. Okay, I like this. I like this, y'all. Okay. And I got I'm sure it's a large. Where's the tag at? I don't see the tag. It's probably in the bottom. But I got this in a large. Yep, large, y'all. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Nice. Oh, yes. We're going to do our try-ons. Y'all see? Yeah. I like this. I like sets. That way I don't have to worry about. And of course, here's the pants. Let's see how far the pans go. Let's see how far these pans go. Y'all, the pans go all the way down. Everything is just right. Let's see. Yeah, okay. I have to pull them up some because I'm so short. But I wear a high heel. We're going to do a try on. But I wear a high heel. Okay. Yeah. I wear a high heel. It'll be just right. You know, they won't be dragging. But you have to, we're going to do a try on and we'll see how long they are. But this is a nice set. Yes, I got about 20 more packages, y'all. You know how you have things just sitting in your cart? I have so many sets. I like buying sets. I like buying sets. That way, yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. This is gonna go so cute. Oh my gosh. You all, look at that. It's gonna look so cute. Oh, it's gonna look so cute together. And I could wear either accessories, you know. I could wear either accessories. Or I could wear my stack. You know? Or I could wear my stack. That's a cute outfit right there. Right there, y'all. Y'all, I'm getting ready for the fall. Y'all better get ready for the fall. Well, the fall is here. The fall is here. So I'm getting ready. So, and these sets is nothing but like $19.99. $19.99. Okay, yeah. So I am so excited. Okay, so y'all. So I'm gonna. You could clean your jewelry with whatever you want. I use Ivory soap a lot. Ivory soap. So that's what I'm gonna cleanse these with. I may do a video on that. I think I am. So that'll be our next video. How to clean your jewelry before wearing it. You should. Yeah, let's see what it says. Yes, I love everything. I love it all. I love it all. So thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all know I had my coffee. Thank y'all for tuning in to my video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. And if you have not subscribed and became a chick babe, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Bye, babes.